Hey everyone, check out the TOBTOS high-back camping chair featuring a large 29.92 by 23.62 by 35.83-inch frame for full back support and comfort. The removable headrest pillow lets you relax your neck and head perfectly during long outdoor sessions. Its stable triangular frame design holds up to 330 pounds and keeps balance even if you shift or twist your body. Made from lightweight 7075 aviation aluminum and durable 1000D Oxford fabric, it folds compactly to 17.7 by 6.7 inches for easy transport. Setting up is a breeze, thanks to elastic stretch cords connecting the aluminum poles and a fabric seat that slips right over. This chair is perfect for camping, hiking, concerts, beach trips, or any outdoor adventure where comfort and portability matter. Enjoy your outdoor moments with this stable, lightweight, and versatile camping chair by your side. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.